All right, I just got off the phone with the owner. So your property line, I don't know if you can see it through these in the woods, but there's a stake right there. I'm panning, I'm zooming into it. It has a pink like ribbon type thing on it. And there's another one in the tree right there. That begins your property line. I'm on the roadside, and so that's the beginning of it. And then it goes until 50 feet from that point. It comes out 50 feet to right here. That's the end of it. You can see the stake where the little ribbon is right there on the ground. So that's about 50 feet between the two. And there's another one in the tree there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can get it better. All right, so there's that one. So that's the stake with the pink ribbon on it. And then there's another one. You probably can't see it in this bush. Yeah, I come this way. And right there. So those are your markings. So it's 50 feet from there. 50 feet going across to here. To there. So those are your markings, your property line, coming from the road. So you would build your driveway coming out through here. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to go into the property. Okay, the owner of the property straight back this way, their name is Ron and Jane. I just spoke with the real estate agent. So here you can see more of your markings. This is where your property line is from your neighbor's driveway. We're gonna keep going in. So all this is part of your land coming all the way down. Here's another marking right there. That's your property line going across. So you can actually see where a gate, that little white post right there, that's a gate where your property line is. So all that is part of your property, 50 feet coming out from where that stake is. Right there. There's a stake there. Your property line starts there and goes out 50 feet from there. I'm going to keep going through. You have another stake right there with your property line. So all this is part of your property. You got a high bush area here. You have a sewer drain. This is on your neighbor's property. So you got all this. I'm gonna go in. So these stakes right here represent your property line. Right there. So you got all this high bush. So we actually walking through the property. I'm on the property right now. So this is where you're gonna have your driveway coming through. I should have brought my machete out here with me. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put a wide lens on. So here's so you got all this back here. I'm gonna go back. So that's the road. I don't know if you saw the car.